Simple life in Canada. Alright, kain muna kami. Let's eat together.
Ako na mag-picture.
Oh, thank you Lord, thank you sa mga grasya na binigay sa amin ngayon. Sa mga nag-prepare, maraming salamat. Thank you for the preparation for today's camping. Say hi to our watchers right now. Viewers.
Just ask.
Ikaw, watcher ng mais.
Ask the lady here.
Anong nangyari sa mais mo?
Nasusunog na.
Anong nangyari sa mais mo?
Nasusunog na. Oh, pangalawa ko na to eh. Pangalawa lang, no? Kunti lang. Second time in camping. Oh, it's been a long time. It's been a long time already. So, I'm gonna try now. It's gonna be exciting. Woo! Camping. 2 hours drive.
Tatatulog lang.
To where?
To St. Paul, Massachusetts. No, West Cove camping campground somewhere in northeast of Alberta. So guys, I'm gonna set up my tent. We're gonna sleep inside the tent.
Outside.
outside. But we're gonna have some bonfire and some maybe meat there. Chicken meat. I just eat chicken meat. I don't want to eat pork because
Bison. Madami bison din.
Chicken lang tayo. Isda. So saan bumili ng isda? Wala nang time eh. Hirap hanapin yung time dito sa Canada. Puro trabaho guys.
Kasi naman anong oras na.
Luto ng mais natin. Luto na. The corn is ready to eat. Only smoke. Everybody is busy. That's why. Look like that. Sunog. Alright, here's the chef cook.
Shit cook. This is the shit
Right
cook.
on. Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Breakfast time.
Good morning.
Alright, right here.
Hi, Born.
All the squatter squad. Squatter squad.
Born to be wild.
The homeless guys. There's the homeless guys here. Homeless guys. All right. Shout out.
Pakita mo yung restaurant.
The homeless and the rich guys, people there. The rich people.
Homeless or homeless?
Homeless.
Hi, good morning, Sky. Hello.
Oh, Skyri. Yeah. Good morning. Ready to eat? Oh, nice.
The prince is away.
Good morning. Dito yung location namin dito. We are here in West Cove campground. Woo. Okay, so ready to eat? Ready to eat, guys? We have like some foods to eat. Simple life in Canada. Meron kaming masarap na pakwan. Mayroong mga tuyo. Oh. Guys, sarap niyan, oh. Ito. Inihaw na tuyo. Itong tomato, chop. Ito, noodles. Di mawawala yung noodles natin. Ito, tsaka
With real beef.
with real beef.
Kaso,
With real
noodles,
beef.
mamaya pansit na.
Wow, that's awesome.
With real beef.
Oh, this is paboritong itlog. Ayan lang. Pang iba dyan ang kinukok ni Paraan yan. What kind of recipe? Oh, ito. Pusit. Pusit. Dried pusit. Wow.
Oo nga, naubos na ang pusit ko.
Ito yung rice namin. Di pa luto to. Not cooked yet. You have to wait around 5 minutes. Yan, mga gamit. Kailangan mga gamit pag nag-camping. We need to buy another stuff. So many stuff to accumulate doing a camping. Like this one. Tent. Chairs. Holy smoke. Oh no! Alright. Let's go guys. Kain na. Oh, picture. Oh, sige. Ito. Alright. Kain muna kami. Let's eat together.
Ako na mag-picture.
Oh. Alright. Kain na. Woo. Thank you Lord. Thank you sa mga grasya na binigay sa amin ngayon. Maraming salamat sa mga nag-prepare. Maraming salamat. Thank you for the preparation for today's camping and other days to come. Right here. What can you say about the camping today?
Hi.
Oh, say hi to our watchers right now. Viewers.
Just ask.
Ikaw, watcher ng mais. Wala na.
Ask the lady here.
Anong nangyari sa mais mo?
Nasusunog na. Wala na, busy sa Alright, kain namin guys, oh. Pero di nyo makikita ang lake. Ang lake dito nasa likod, West Cove. Behind this area here is West Cove Lake. It's a nice place. Alright.
Mayroon kang pakwan.
Oo, tama.
Kain na kayo.
Pag nabitin ka, buksan mo na lang.
Kain tayo. Corn.
Sabi ko sa inyo, walang papansin. Kawawa yung nagtuhog.
Ano? Yung
Hindi, ang dami kasi.
Baboy ba to?
Hindi napansin yung baboy kasi nagbababoy na kami hapon eh.
May taba.
So yung naubos mga
Pag laman
fish.
lahat, parang hindi siya ano. Kasi nasanay rin tayo sa taba-taba.